1,000 questions, ICBC or HSBC. There are two options for foreign companies to open bank account in China, local banks or international banks. For local banks, ICBC, Bank of China, and China Merchant Banks are most popular banks we suggest foreign companies to use because they are bigger banks and they have multiple branches in different cities. For international banks, HSBC, Citibank, Dutch banks are the foreign companies like to use because their headquarters use the same. Years ago, the international banks have no feature to pay direct debit for social insurance and housing fund. That function requires signing triple parties agreement between company, the government authority, and the bank. The international banks cannot sign this agreement, so the local banks is the only option for foreign companies. In these local banks, ICBC is the one we recommend. Their e-banking system have a friendly layout with English web pages and a simple payment instruction to upload. The bank staff are very experienced and efficient. The merchant banks is almost as good as ICBC, but we can't say the same for Bank of China. We always deal with the new staff in Bank of China counter. Sometimes they even knew less than us. But for our clients, when they use the e-banking system of local banks from abroad, they have incompatible issues happen quite often. That makes them consider another option. In recent years, the international banks have same function as the local banks. There's no limit to open general and capital account in an international bank. The foreign companies would be happier to use the same bank at their headquarters. They know e-banking system well. There's no compatibility issue. The way they communicate with the bank clerk is familiar to them. But if it's seen from a China market, the foreign currency control and central bank managing procedures are same as the local banks. The communication with the bank clerks are mostly via email. The bank's response could be very slow and take more time to open an encrypted email. Sometimes when you want to solve a problem in an international bank, it could be taken days. But if you pay a visit to a local bank, this problem could be solved immediately. So here's the question, ICBC or HSBC, which one you think is better for you to open a bank account in?